Hey, what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Today we're going to be installing a nice little overlay plate over this carbon fiber. I don't know if you guys have been following me on Instagram, but I had done something on my G70, which is this right here. So this is the overlay. This is for my G70 AirLift controller. And additionally to that, if you guys don't know, this is basically the same controller across all platforms. So this is not actual vehicle specific, but more of the 3P controller by AirLift. So that overlay, we're gonna go ahead and install it here. So this is by AEMTuners. They went ahead and they sent me this so that it can match my Tesla now. So I went ahead and I did this one in carbon fiber, the regular black carbon fiber with some blue flakes to match the Tesla Model 3, which is blue on the exterior. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to install this real easily and how it changes. So, and then if you guys have air suspension with AirLift 3P controller, then this might be a nice mod for you. Alright guys, the very first step you want to go ahead and do is clean the surrounding areas on the controller with some alcohol. This is just to get rid of any lint or any dirt. And then once you clean those areas, all you have to do is go ahead and dry it, and then we'll move to the next step. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and peel this off. So you see it has some adhesive already pre-applied. We just need to go ahead and center it. And before pressing, I just want to make sure that we have everything nice and centered. So I'm pushing here, make sure that it's not touching any of the rubbers here, so you guys can see that it's nice and perfectly centered, like so. Let's go ahead and move this, shift this just a little tab this way. All right, that looks perfect. So we'll go ahead and we'll press. And we'll press. And we'll go ahead and press. So it's a very nice touch. If you're really into carbon fiber, this is real carbon fiber with added on flakes. They have different combination. I believe there's forged carbon if you want to do that, honeycomb, different variations of the type of flakes that you want. So really cool. You guys can go ahead and get this at AEMTuners. So here's two variants, as you guys can see. Very nice. And yeah, you can use my discount code AAM-BoostedWhips and you can save some on these controllers. Very fairly quick. They ship it within a week or so. So it's very fast. You don't have to wait so long, but it's really nice touch for a nice custom setup. Definitely if you have like a theme like I do. So on the G70 I have red interior, so I went with this, and I have a carbon fiber stereo in the interior as well, which is black and red. And on my Tesla is blue on the exterior, but I also have a carbon fiber steering wheel with blue stitching and stuff like that. So this was gonna look really nice on the Tesla, so nice little touch. Anyways guys, if you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.